कि आपको स्पेक्ट्रम दे रहे हैं, उसका अलग से आप यूसेज चार्जेस दीजिएगा, अगेन बेस्ड ऑन योर client base, number of services that you are providing, area that you are covering, and the revenue that you are collecting. These were fixed, and the cabinet approved this in 2003. तो अभी जो पूरा डिस्प्यूट हुआ जिसके चलते ए राजा आज जेल में है, वो क्या था कि 2008 में आपने कहा 2001 के प्राइसेस पर करेंगे एंट्री फी, which even the Supreme Court said what is available at 2001 prices today. So they should have gone to a market discovered entry fee, जैसे 2001 में हुआ. Number 2, license fee. They could have said in view of the number of क्योंकि कितने 127 इतने licenses issue हुए 2008 में, बड़ा भारी क्राउड था, तो they would have said in view of this license fee will increase by this percentage, and spectrum usage charges, which is the third element of this, spectrum usage charges fall in a different category because spectrum had become a scarce commodity by 2008. नहीं तो आदि काल से स्पेक्ट्रम है हवा में, कभी थोड़ा बहुत यूज हुआ नहीं हुआ, लेकिन अब उतना डिमांड आ गया तो आप उसकी प्राइस को तय करेंगे कि नहीं, जैसे आपने 3G में किया. तो स्पेक्ट्रम का कैसे ऑक्शन हो, क्या किया जाए, कितना हम देंगे शुरू में, कितना हम उसके एडिशनल देंगे, एडिशनल का क्या हो रेट, शुरू का क्या हो रेट, ऑल दीज वेर इश्यूज which any person sitting in the finance ministry at the helm of affairs would have looked at for the sake of maximizing government's gain without affecting the telecom revolution, expansion which was taking place. तो ये करने के बजाय अगर फिनेंस मिनिस्ट्री कहे कि नहीं इसका एंट्री फी मार्केट डिस्कवर्ड हो, स्पेक्ट्रम का भी मार्केट डिस्कवरी हो, ऑक्शन किया जाए, और उसके बाद यू गो बैक and say whatever Raja is saying is Maran said is all right, then I will hold both the finance minister and the prime minister guilty. The question आपने पूछा कि Raja says because he belonged to DMK or Maran said keep off, so I'll say arm's length. What kind of a prime minister this country has or had who will submit to this extent to an ally only to keep his government going? This is absolutely unacceptable defense of the Prime Minister. He is, after all, the Prime Minister of India. He is the head of government. And he can't hide behind this कि राजा ने कह दिया और मारन ने कह दिया.
दिलीप
इस्तीफा तो मांग ही लिया, प्रधानमंत्री का इस्तीफा तो लगातार बीजेपी मांगती रही है. उनको जेल भेजने की बात अभी हम नहीं कर रहे हैं. हाँ
ऐश्वर्या
कहिए, थोड़ा इंतजार कीजिए, उसके बाद देखिए क्या होता है.
एक सेकंड,
क्या क्या बातें सामने आती हैं उसका भी थोड़ा इंतजार कर लिया जाए. चिदम्बरम, हाँ Yes, I am saying this with full sense of authority and conviction that the Prime Minister is and was fully complicit in whatever was happening in the telecom ministry, because Raja had kept him informed of every little move that he was making, and the Prime Minister acknowledged all his letters. It's not that he didn't see it remained lying at some lower levels in PMO. No, it was not this. JPC is inquiring into it. JPC will continue to inquire into this. But I made it very clear that I am not basing what I am saying today on any JPC document. I am saying it on the basis of documents which are already in public domain. Prime Minister's letters, the exchange of letters between Prime Minister and Raja are in public domain. This note now has come into public domain. Many other documents, Maran's documents, Raja's other documents, they are all over the place. So you don't you don't have to be a member of JPC or PAC now to get hold of these documents. Everyone is aware of them.
Neena ji.
Ji? Because the Supreme Court is seized of the matter, it's pending before the Supreme Court, and therefore I said that I appeal to the Supreme Court through you to take cognizance of the role of Chidambaram and order a CBI probe. Because it's only after the court uses its authority that the government moves. That is the unfortunate situation in which we find ourselves.
Neena ji.
No, you're free to do that.
No, I'm saying that because you are in the know of it, that how did the finance minister at that time take a decision for such a huge chunk of money which was contracted for? On what basis? Because revenue sharing, you didn't know unless you were a soothsayer that telecom would grow at that rate and what the revenue sharing windfall would be.
You have asked a very relevant question. You see, the decision to formulate NTP 99 and the decision to permit migration of the existing license holders to the NTP 99 was taken by the cabinet as a whole. NTP 99 was approved in March 1999 by the cabinet. Migration package was approved by the cabinet in July 1999. I am not talking about the case. Nothing at all, Madam Neena Vyas, nothing at all. Because if we had continued in that mode, then telecom sector would have been ruined and government would not have got a single farthing. That was the situation. You see? And as a result of the formula which was devised by NTP 99, if you calculate the revenue which accrued to the government through the entry fee, through the license fee, through the spectrum usage charges, it is many times more than the license fee which would have accrued to the government, even if we had taken their skin off their bodies. वो मिलता ना मिलता नहीं पता, लेकिन अगर मिल भी जाता तब भी उतना नहीं मिलता जितना ये मिला. और मैं आपको एक बात और बताता हूँ कि NTP 99 ended duopoly. NTP 94 talked about only two players, two service providers. NTP 99 ended duopoly and brought in multipoly. And as a result of multipoly, a large number, I mean, as long as we were in government, there were only 4 operators because MTNL, BSNL को लाया हम लोगों ने public sector के नाम पर, and then we brought in a 4th operator in all the circles by 2004. But the 127 licenses that Raja sought to issue would not have been possible if multipoly had not been the policy of the government. No, nobody brought Reliance through the back door. And if you want to enter into an argument, then Ninaji, I invite you, let's sit down with each other and discuss this with whatever audience you want. But the point I'm making is, it is a complete misstatement to say that as a result of NTP 99 or the migration package which followed, there was loss of revenue. The people who are talking about it do not know their facts properly.
आप के